Welcome back to AutoGear, the destination where car lovers find trusted insights on the latest vehicles, innovations and automotive trends. If you are passionate about cars' performance and future tech, be sure to subscribe to reviews and stay ahead of the curve with detailed breakdowns from concept to road. Today we take a deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt, a nameplate that once dominated compact car discussions and now makes a comeback in a modernized avatar with updated features, technology and styling. The Cobalt is Chevrolet's attempt to re-enter the budget-friendly sedan segment while offering a driving experience that resonates with both new and seasoned drivers. The design philosophy of the 2025 Cobalt starts with its updated exterior. Modern yet familiar, the car maintains a compact structure with a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette compared to its predecessors. The front fascia now boasts a bolder grille seamlessly integrated with slim LED headlamps that give the vehicle a sharper and more upscale appearance. The bumper is sculpted with a subtle sportiness to attract younger buyers, while fog lights and chrome detailing add to its character. The hood is slightly more contoured, emphasizing the new design direction of Chevrolet's compact lineup. Moving to the side profile, the Cobalt is more mature than ever. The wheel arches are subtly flared, housing 16 or 17-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim level. Side mirrors come with integrated turn signals and chrome accents that run along the window line, giving a touch of sophistication. At the rear, the LED taillights are uniquely styled to differentiate the Cobalt from competitors. In the compact sedan segment, the overall look is clean, purposeful and well aligned with Chevrolet's global design DNA. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt brings in significant improvements over past models. The dashboard layout is simple yet refined with soft touch materials on key touchpoints. The central infotainment screen measures 85 inches and is standard across all variants. It runs Chevrolet's latest MyLink system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth streaming. The touchscreen is responsive and intuitively designed, making it user-friendly even for first-time users. The instrument cluster is a combination of analog dials and a digital display, providing important vehicle information in a clear layout. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped and multifunctional with controls for audio, voice commands and cruise control. The driver's seat is 6-way adjustable, while higher trims offer leather upholstery, heated seats and a sunroof for added comfort and luxury. Space inside the Cobalt is generous for a compact sedan with ample legroom in both front and rear seats. The flat floor design in the rear increases comfort for the middle passenger, and trunk capacity stands at an impressive 450 liters, making it practical for family outings and daily commutes alike. Noise insulation has been significantly improved as well, providing a quieter cabin experience even at higher speeds. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt offers two engine options to suit different driving needs. The base variant comes with a 15-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine delivering 110 horsepower and 147 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission (CVT). This setup is focused on efficiency and daily usability. It's ideal for city commuters looking for a budget-conscious option with reliable fuel economy figures reaching up to 18 km per liter. For those seeking a bit more punch, the higher trim is equipped with a 16-liter turbocharged engine producing 150 horsepower and 210 Nm of torque, mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. This version of the Cobalt delivers brisk acceleration, better highway performance and a sportier driving dynamic. Chevrolet has tuned the suspension for a balanced ride quality with McPherson struts at the front and a torsion beam rear setup, ensuring comfort over bumps while maintaining cornering stability. Safety is another area where the 2025 Cobalt excels. The vehicle is equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD traction control and electronic stability control as standard. All variants also include a rear parking camera, rear sensors and tire pressure monitoring system. The higher trims add advanced driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, forward collision alert and automatic emergency braking. These features help elevate the Cobalt into a competitive position among compact sedans with an emphasis on driver and passenger safety. Fuel efficiency remains a highlight of the Cobalt's appeal. The base engine with manual transmission delivers an average fuel consumption of around 18 km per litre in combined city and highway conditions, while the turbocharged version clocks in at approximately 15 km per litre thanks to weight optimization and improved aerodynamics. Chevrolet ensures that the 2025 Cobalt does not compromise performance for efficiency. Driving dynamics of the Cobalt are aimed at the daily driver. Steering is light and predictable, making urban navigation and tight parking spots easier than ever on highways. The Cobalt feels stable with enough power in reserve for overtaking and cruising at higher speeds. The suspension soaks up most road imperfections without unsettling the passengers, and cabin comfort is enhanced by its quiet ride. The 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt is offered in 3 trim levels, LS, LT and Premier. Each trim brings incremental upgrades from base functionality to premium touches. The LS trim is